You need to hear this if you've ever fought with a tie. Let's make it easy. Ties are a must for any professional or formal occasion, but let's be honest, they can be tricky. Today we'll master tying a tie together. First, grab your tie and place it around your neck with the wide end on your dominant side. Adjust the length so the narrow end is shorter. Got it? Perfect. Now let's dive into two popular knots, starting with the simple knot. Follow along. 1. Cross the wide end over the narrow end. 1. Bring the wide end under and back over. 1. Pull the wide end through the loop near your collar and adjust. Easy peasy. For a more formal look, try the Windsor knot. 1. Cross the wide end over the narrow end and bring it up through the loop. 1. Pull it down and wrap around the narrow end. 1. Bring it up through the loop again and down through the knot in front. Look at that polished finish. Finally, tighten the knot gently by pulling on the wide end, center it under the collar and smooth out the tie. There you go. So which style do you prefer? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, keep it stylish. Choosing the right tie can be just as important as knowing how to tie it. The color, pattern and material of your tie can say a lot about your personality and the occasion you're dressing for. For instance, a solid color tie is versatile and can be worn with almost any shirt and suit combination. On the other hand, a pattern tie can add a bit of flair and show off your personal style. Silk ties are classic and elegant, perfect for formal events, while cotton or wool ties can be more casual and suitable for everyday wear. When matching your tie with your shirt and suit, consider the color wheel. Complementary colors, which are opposite each other on the color wheel, can create a striking look. For example, a blue tie with an orange shirt can be bold and eye-catching. Analogous colors, which are next to each other on the color wheel, can create a more harmonious and subtle look. A blue tie with a green shirt, for instance, can be very pleasing to the eye. It's also important to consider the width of your tie. Skinny ties are trendy and can give a modern, youthful look, while wider ties are more traditional and can convey a sense of power and authority. The width of your tie should also match the width of your lapels for a balanced look. Experimenting with different knots can also be a fun way to change up your look. The 4-in-hand knot is simple and slightly asymmetrical, giving a casual yet stylish appearance. The Half-Windsor knot is more symmetrical and formal, perfect for business settings. The full Windsor knot is the most formal and symmetrical, ideal for important events and making a strong impression. Remember, confidence is key. Wearing a tie that you feel good in can boost your confidence and make you feel more put together. Whether you're heading to a job interview, a wedding, or just a regular day at the office, a well-tied tie can make all the difference. So take your time, practice, and soon you'll be tying ties like a pro. And don't forget, the most important thing is to have fun with it and let your personality shine through your style. Happy tying!